Hey y'all, Gary here from the Field Test Dummies channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Eton FRX3 emergency weather radio. Now I've had this radio in my go bag for a little over 2 years now. Before I put it in there, I test all the functions on this thing to make sure that it worked. That's one of the crucial things you need to do before you put anything inside of your go bag, is to test it, test the functionality of it to make sure it works. So that way when you need it, it's going to be there for you. Now this has been in my bag for over 2 years. Before I put it in there, it worked. So over 2 years have gone by. I want to go ahead and do a functions test on it to make sure everything still works on it. So what I'm going to have you do is come on a little closer, and I'll tell you about the features of this radio, and then do the functions test on it. Okay, so here it is. It's the Eton FRX3 emergency weather radio. Okay, I'm going to tell you about some of the features on this thing and why I went with it. First of all, it's compact, so it was ideal choice for my go bag. I really like how it's just small, kind of lightweight, and it's just, doesn't take up a whole lot of room. Also, it has a nickel monohydride rechargeable battery. Also, you can run this off 3 AAA batteries. So you can choose from rechargeable battery and your AAAs just from pushing these buttons here. This one with the battery indicator on it, if you push it, you can run off your AAAs. And if you push the one with the wrench, you can run off your rechargeable battery. So I like how you can run either or. Also, your battery can be charged by mini USB through your car or through cell phone charger. It can also be charged through the solar panel on top. It's a neat feature. It takes about 10 hours to charge it through the solar panel. Also, the solar panel has a glow-in-the-dark ring around the top, so if you ever dropped it, you could find it. Also, it has a hand crank dynamo turn knob. If you crank this for 90 seconds, you get 5 to 7 minutes worth of radio and or 20 minutes use of this flashlight here. It's got a flashlight, it's got an emergency light. Pretty neat little feature there. So it's nice to have that hand crank just in case, for backup. So there's 3 ways right there you can run this thing. So no matter what, this thing's going to work when I need it to work. Also, it has national weather band channels on here and alerts. Plus, it also has AM/FM radio. Now, with the antenna all the way up, the radio on this works very well. I mean, even inside my house, which is hard to get signal in there, I mean, it works really well. Also, you can charge your cell phone with this bad boy. And there's a rubber tab back here. It's got a USB port right there. You just plug your cell phone in there and it'll charge it up. It's also got a headphone jack, so if you wanted to, listen with your headphones, so the enemy couldn't hear you or whoever couldn't hear you, so you can be private. And then also it's got an auxiliary, so you can run like MP3 and stuff like that through there. And here's where your mini USB hooks up, so you can charge it there. Go ahead and open this up. This is the battery compartment. Here's the rechargeable nickel monohydride battery, and then the 3 AAAs. You can run either or. All right. And then also, right here on top, I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a button here that says cell. You just plug that cell back here and then you hit the cell button, it'll charge your cell phone. And then there's an alert button on here. Now, if you set this for alert on, what'll happen is excuse me, what'll happen is when you hit the alert button, When there's a national alert, the radio will come on, automatically kick on, and then start giving you that information you need. So that is a really neat feature. I really like that. And then also it has a normal, regular clock radio, or a clock alarm. And then here's your time right here. So you can set all that. So pretty neat little emergency radio. I've had it for over 2 years, and it still functions very well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run some tests on this to make sure everything's still working on it. And I'll get back with you guys in another video to let you know if everything's still functioning. So anyway, here it is, the Eton FRX3 emergency radio. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and hit me up down there in the comments section. I just want to thank you guys for watching the video. Y'all have a good day. Okay, so we ran a functions test after 2 years on the Eton FRX3 emergency radio, and it passed. The solar charger still charges within 10 hours. The dynamo still works, still charges cell phones. AAA batteries still work. Rechargeable battery inside of it, still kicking. So it's a good product. If you guys are interested in it, I definitely recommend it. The Eton FRX3 emergency radio. Thanks, guys.